Right, so let's talk about Tesla. So Tesla has been down 15% last week. And the question is right now, is Tesla a good buy? Should you buy Tesla right now? When exactly is it a good time to get into this? And in order to do this, I want to look at the technicals. And this is where I'm jumping over here to PowerX Optimizer. So here you see Tesla. Now, as you know, the PowerX strategy is based on 3 indicators, and I'm bringing them up here right now so that you see it. The 3 indicators are stochastics, RSI, and MACD. Here's what we want to see. We want to see that the stochastics is above 50, and then it would be a buy. We want to see that the RSI is above 50, then this would be a buy. And we want to see that the MACD is above its moving average, then that is a buy. And as you can see, as we are zooming in here on Tesla, it has been a buy, and this is exactly, if you want to take a look at this, right here. This was a couple of weeks ago, as you can see, at around 800. And you see that all 3 indicators were green all the way up here until it topped more than 1200. So right now, as you can see, first of all, the indicators no longer agreed with each other and saying, okay, Tesla could turn around. And this is where right now, as of Friday, we are seeing a red bar. Let me just zoom in a little bit so that you can see it. Now, a red bar means that now it is more likely for Tesla to keep moving down. So right now, for me, would not be a good opportunity to buy Tesla. So, but let's look back and let's see actually what would have happened if you had used the PowerX strategy to time Tesla entries. This is where you see the P&L chart at the bottom. And we're looking over at Tesla over the last 2 years. And we see that if we show the trades here, we had a few entries. So with the PowerX strategy, we're not following a buy and hold strategy. And here's why. With a buy and hold strategy, of course, you're making money when the stock is going up. But as you can see, Tesla at some point was trading at 900. And then for a long, long time, Tesla has been trading below 900. Now, during these times, there are still possibilities to enter short-term trades. And you see, that is the major difference between trading and investing. With trading, you're a little bit more active. So that's where we see, okay, we had quite a few trades. I mean, not really a whole lot of movement, as we can see, because Tesla was just moving sideways. But the key here is that we are capturing and capitalizing on the larger trends, as you can see. Now, we never wait until we hit really a high because it's super difficult to time exiting at the high. The only person who seemed to have nailed it was Elon Musk. Well, talk about a little bit of insider trading, and this is what happened recently. Elon Musk sold $6.9 billion of Tesla shares, and this is why Tesla went down by 15%. So is this right now a good opportunity to enter? And I would say no, not yet, because we want to see that the 3 indicators are actually indicating that we have another good buy opportunity. And in order to see this, we actually want to see that the stochastics is moving above 50 again, that the RSI is moving above 50, and the MACD is moving above its moving average. And right now, it seems that it is more likely for Tesla to go down or to keep going sideways. And I mean, this is not good to enter. And you know, there are so many traders who entered right here at the high when Tesla was trading at 1,000 or 1,100 or 1,200, right? So you want to make sure that you time the entries. And this is why I believe it is so important to really have a great trading strategy. And here is what a trading strategy does. A trading strategy tells you, number 1, what to trade. And let's say that you're dead set on trading Tesla. Number 2, this is when the trading strategy tells you exactly when to enter. And this is what we have with the PowerX strategy. We have clear-cut rules. By the way, if you would like to learn more about the PowerX strategy, I'll link to a video in the description. So after we're done with this video, you can take a look at this so that you learn more about the exact rules. And then number 3 is, when do you exit? And you see, this is where our exits here with PowerX Optimizer, they're not really taking you out at the high, but they're taking you out with some really nice profits. If you take a look at the trading report here, so looking at the trading report, you see what would have happened if you had traded it with a $10,000 account. And you see, okay, you would have had around $1,000. Here another $1,000. Then a small loss of $26. No big deal, no harm, no foul, right? Here's $112 loss, then $148 win, $1,100 win, $161 win. Then you have a couple of losses. You see, losses are part of our business as a trader. You see, the key is that the wins that you have here, a few ones are smaller, but some of them are the bigger wins, and this is what you're looking for. So a stock like Tesla, you would trade with aggressive exits. And again, this is where the PowerX Optimizer tells you exactly what would be here actually the best exit strategy. Because you see, everybody can enter the market. I mean, they say a monkey can buy Tesla. That is true, right? I mean, just so easy. Hitting buy, or on the phone, you just swipe right and then you already bought Tesla. But the key is when to exit Tesla. And if you look at the various exit strategies, we see that every stock is different. But for Tesla, we see that by far the aggressive is sticking out and giving you the biggest profit, the biggest ROI, with a winning percentage of only 50%. But it doesn't matter because you're making more money, as you have seen, on your winning trades than on the losing trades. So for me personally, I mean, I see some comments here. Tesla needs a revaluation. Musk needs to be punished for tweeting this and selling this. You see, when you are trading with technical indicators, it doesn't matter. And all this hype around Tesla, and now the next company, Rivian, right? I mean, Rivian is now the second most valuable car manufacturer in the US, maybe even in the world. I mean, and that's kind of crazy, right? So this is where all these fundamental evaluations seem to be out of the way, but the technicals, see, everything, that's what I believe, everything is already factored into the prices. And this is why, for me, it is easier to trade with technical analysis than with fundamental analysis. And as you know, one of my two trading strategies that I like to trade is clearly here the PowerX strategy. Now, the other one is the wheel strategy, but you see, the wheel strategy with Tesla would be fairly expensive, because if you want to sell put at, let's say, the 900 mark, this means that you need to have, for every option that you sell, $90,000 in your trading account. So you could only trade one option. So therefore, it is way better here to use the PowerX strategy. And as you can see, the PowerX strategy works really, really, really well on Tesla. And this is what I personally would rely on. So is Tesla a buy? Not right now. I first want to see that the indicators are turning around again so that I see green bars on the chart. Now, one of the questions that I always get is, why is this bar blue? And this is because it is in real time. And you see, for me, I only look at the charts at the end of the day. So this is why whatever happens throughout the day, I mean, this could be blue, purple, pink, it doesn't really matter. By the end of the day, we will probably here see another red bar, and this just means that Tesla is more likely to go down. So this is, for me, what is happening with Tesla. And if you would like to learn more about how to do technical analysis, especially the PowerX strategy, you can either get the book, as you can see, link in the description. It's only $4.95, or you can watch a video that I'll also link in the description so that you know more. So take a look at this video, and I will see you in the next one.